Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today we'll see a very simple yet very tasty chicken fried rice. That too at home in these lockdown days. We can do it very easily at home. I have soaked 1 glass of basmati rice for about an hour. Heat enough water in a big vessel to cook rice. Add salt to taste. Add 1 spoon of cooking oil. Chop your desired vegetables as shown. I am using here carrots, capsicum and cabbage. You may use any other. Water is boiling. At this stage, we have to add the soaked rice. Cook the rice until it is 90% done. Now it's almost done. We have to strain the rice and keep aside. We have to cook the rice priorly before 1 to 2 hours of making of chicken fried rice, because the rice has to be cooled down completely, otherwise we will not get a grain or it may break. The rice grain will not appear as such. Add little oil in a vessel. I am taking here 100 grams of boneless chicken. Sear the chicken a bit. And add 1 glass of water. Salt to taste. Mix well and let it cook on a medium flame until it is fully done. Add about 1 spoon of freshly ground black pepper powder. This is the only seasoning which we are going to add for chicken. As I told earlier, it is very simple yet very delicious dish. So there are many types of fried rice. So this is one of the type. This is purely my way. Chicken is also done well. So I have chopped capsicum, carrot, cabbage and one bulb of full garlic. And this is the rice which we have dried it. You can see the texture. This is the perfect texture what we need for making chicken fried rice or any other fried rice. You can see each and every grain separately. And this is the cooked chicken. And this is the chicken broth. Add few chopped vegetables and enough salt and pepper. And your clear soup is ready. It is a compliment for your chicken fried rice. I don't waste any, so thought of making a bowl of clear soup. Simmer it for 15 minutes and it will be ready. So heat a wok and add enough oil. Once the oil get heated, add 2 eggs. And make a egg scramble with a big chunks. You may add little salt and pepper as a seasoning. It's done now. Take half of the portion and keep aside. I will have to do in portions as we are at home, not in the restaurant. So I have kept half of the portion. Adding chopped garlic. Fry until it's aromatic. Now add cabbage. Add chopped carrot. Fry for about 3 minutes on a high flame. Add the shredded chicken. Shred the pieces and add to it as per your taste. At last, add capsicum pieces and fry for about 2 minutes on high flame. Always remember to keep the veggies crunchy. Add enough salt to taste. And pepper. You may add white pepper powder if you are having, otherwise black pepper will do well. Add according to your taste. This is the only seasoning or flavoring what I am adding to this fried rice. As I said earlier, this is a very simple yet very delicious fried rice. Now finally, adding in a basmati rice which we have cooked earlier, and mix all the ingredients on a high flame. for about 10 minutes and your chicken fried rice will be ready to be served. It has a lovely color. I like the fried rice so simple and very tasty. Only with the salt and pepper and garlic we get a lovely aroma. Please do try my recipe and let me know in my comment section below. I hope you will love it. During these lockdown days, it is hard to go out and have anything lovely, but at home it's so simple yet very delicious dishes which we can make for our lovely family and kids. Please do try and let me know. Chicken fried rice is done. So when it's hot and enjoy with your clear soup or any other compliment you would love. Mojito or lemonade will be a perfect combo for this chicken fried rice. Such fuming hot chicken fried rice is always tempting, isn't it? So please do try my recipe and let me know. If you like my recipes, please do like, share and subscribe to your family and friends. And don't forget to click on the bell icon given below for further notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye and meet you in the next video.